Welcome to my YouTube channel Car X. The 2026 Toyota Camry is not what you expect. For years, the Camry was known as a reliable family sedan. Safe, practical, predictable. But this new model changes everything. Toyota did something bold. Something surprising. They pushed the Camry closer to the luxury segment. And many people don't even realize how big this upgrade is. In this video, you'll discover what makes the 2026 Camry feel more like a luxury sedan than ever before, from the design, to the interior, to the tech, to the drive quality. By the end, you'll understand why car lovers are calling it the luxury sedan you didn't expect. The first surprise hits when you see the car from the front. The 2026 Camry has a wider and cleaner stance. The nose sits lower. The lines are sharper. And the new LED headlights look like they came from a Lexus. This is not accidental. Toyota has been slowly merging Lexus-style design cues into their mainstream lineup. It's a strategy we've seen in models like the Crown and Prius. From the side, the car looks more aerodynamic. Smoother surfaces. Less clutter. A modern luxury shape that appeals to younger buyers, while still keeping the classic Camry identity. Car lovers respond deeply to design. We judge a car emotionally before we judge it logically. And the new Camry taps into that feeling immediately. The biggest improvement is inside the cabin. This is where the new Camry truly feels unexpected. Toyota introduced softer materials across the dashboard and doors. The stitching looks premium. The textures feel more expensive. And the cabin is noticeably quieter. Noise reduction is something luxury buyers care about more than horsepower. A silent cabin gives a feeling of comfort, confidence, and refinement, the psychology behind premium cars. The seats are deeper and more supportive. The center console is cleaner. And the ambient lighting adds a soft, elegant glow at night. This is the kind of interior that makes you forget you're in a Camry. It feels closer to an entry-level luxury sedan. The 2026 Camry receives one of its biggest upgrades in technology. A large infotainment screen takes center stage, smooth animations, clean menus, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital gauge cluster adds a modern touch, with excellent clarity and animation. Toyota also updated its Safety Sense suite. The latest version includes improved lane tracing, smarter adaptive cruise, better pedestrian detection, advanced highway driving assist. These features push the Camry into a higher class. In 2026, mainstream sedans are racing to match luxury tech. And Toyota is clearly leading in reliability and safety. This combination, clean design and dependable tech, is a sweet spot for car enthusiasts. The Camry has never tried to be a sports car. And in 2026, Toyota made that even more clear. The focus is comfort. Smooth acceleration. Quiet running. Predictable handling. The hybrid system delivers instant torque at low speeds. The suspension feels stable and cushioned. And the steering is light but accurate. Driving this car gives you the same psychological effect as stepping into a luxury lounge. Calm. Controlled. Stress-free. For everyday use, this driving style is more valuable than raw horsepower. Toyota continues its leadership in hybrid technology. The 2026 Camry uses an updated hybrid system delivering around 220 to 250 horsepower, depending on trim. It's not about top speed, it's about smoothness and efficiency. The torque delivery is clean. The transitions between electric and gasoline power are nearly invisible. Fuel economy is one of the biggest advantages. This is where Toyota wins consistently. Decades of hybrid experience give them a reliability advantage that few brands can match. And this is exactly why so many buyers trust the Camry for long-term ownership. Luxury is not just leather and screens. It's the experience you get every day. The 2026 Camry nails this. Spacious rear seats. Large trunk. Durable materials. Low maintenance. High resale value. European luxury brands offer premium features, but with higher running costs. The Camry gives you a luxury feel without luxury headaches. This combination triggers a powerful psychological response in buyers. I'm getting more than I paid for. And that feeling creates emotional loyalty. The 2026 Toyota Camry is still a Camry, reliable, practical, and efficient. But now, it's wrapped in something much more refined. It offers design you don't expect. Comfort you don't expect. Technology you don't expect. And luxury you definitely don't expect. It doesn't pretend to be a sports sedan. It doesn't try to be European. It simply elevates what a Camry can be. And that's why it stands out in 2026. Luxury isn't only about price. Luxury is about how a car makes you feel. And this Camry feels different. Feels refined. Feels elevated. This is the 2026 Toyota Camry. The luxury sedan you didn't expect.